Water is a brilliant medium for sound.
Sound can travel enormous distances. Whales see the ocean through sound. They can hear storms that are 1,000 miles away. We are injecting enormous amounts of noise in the ocean.
I was listening to the noise that sea mammals and fish are subjected to, which was painful to me. I can see it would cause a psychosis.
The whales, they can't turn the volume down.